Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I am greatly appreciative. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you want to turn your Nintendo Switch into a VR system. So this was sent over by a company called DEVASO, and this is the box that it comes in. Now, I got the color. It comes in a lot of different colors. I got the one that's just black and white. Once you open it up, you're naturally going to get a user manual. However, we're going to cover all the features here in the video. You're also going to get a cleansing cloth, and then you're going to get the device itself. So this is what it looks like with the Switch in it. Basically, very, very easy to do. You'll notice you're going to have on the front side here, basically what's going to hold the Switch into position. And then you're going to have a little foam part that basically protects the glass of the Switch. There is a little notch basically in the center of your Switch. And you're just going to go ahead and slide that down and line it up in the middle little notch on the device. So there is a little notch on the front part, and you want to make sure that's centered, and that's what's going to allow it to be centered on the glass part itself. Now, as far as the strap, it is fully adjustable. You can adjust the top and adjust the two sides. It also has a nice little memory foam cushion around here, so when you're wearing it, it's super, super comfortable. And then you're going to have the two little lenses on here that's going to allow you to see this in basically the VR mode. Now, as far as once it's all strapped on, then you can take your Joy-Cons and you can utilize these to control it. Now, obviously, not all Nintendo Switch games are VR supported. You have to use which games they are. So, for example, if you are playing Super Smash Bros., you can utilize that. Super Mario Odyssey, Breath of the Wild, which is absolutely amazing to play in VR, Captain Toad, etc. There's various games that you can play that have that VR mode. You can find that in the settings. Go ahead and turn that on, then launch up your, or then basically turn it on and put your headset on, and you're going to be good to go. Now, this is designed only for your regular Switch or your OLED version. It is not going to work with the Lite because the Lite has the Joy-Cons automatically attached to it, but it works with the other two versions of the devices. And it also does have at the very bottom here, you do have your charging port exposed, so if you do need to keep it plugged in for battery life, you can do that. You'll notice also on the bottom is going to be the little dials. That's going to allow you to move the lenses on the inside, so that way it's better focused for you. And then the same thing on the middle, that's going to be moving those lenses in and out. So forward, and basically you want to get it to where everything's nice and clear. And then if you're worried about overheating, as you can see, it's got the vent holes right here on the front, and it's exposed on the top as well. So it doesn't get hot or anything like that. It's got plenty of airflow around it. But overall, if you're looking for a really cool just VR setup for your Nintendo Switch, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.